Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you're looking for a way to make your sublimation design stand out on cotton or cotton blend shirts, bleaching is a great solution. Bleached shirts not only provide a bright canvas for your sublimation prints, but also add a unique, trendy touch to your projects. Today, I'll guide you through the process of bleaching shirts for sublimation, from the materials you'll need to tips for achieving vibrant, long-lasting designs. Let's get started. Bleaching shirts for sublimation combines creativity with practicality. Sublimation works best on polyester, but by bleaching specific areas on cotton blend shirts, you can create a space for vibrant designs while retaining the softness and comfort of cotton. This technique is perfect for creating unique, stylish shirts that stand out. To begin, you'll need the following materials: cotton polyester blend shirts, bleach or a bleach alternative, a spray bottle, a stencil, if desired, gloves, a plastic sheet or cardboard, and of course, your sublimation printer and heat press. It's important to use shirts with at least 65% polyester in the blend, as sublimation ink needs polyester fibers to bond effectively. The higher the polyester content, the brighter and more vibrant your design will appear. Start by choosing the shirt you want to bleach. Light-colored shirts, especially pastels or whites, work best for bleaching as they provide a better contrast for your designs. Darker shirts can be used but may require multiple rounds of bleaching to achieve the desired effect. Wash and dry the shirt beforehand to remove any residues that might interfere with the process. Before bleaching, prepare your workspace. Lay down a plastic sheet or cardboard to protect surfaces from bleach stains. Insert a piece of cardboard or a plastic barrier inside the shirt to prevent the bleach from soaking through to the back. This step is especially important if you're only bleaching specific areas, such as the front or center of the shirt. Next, prepare your bleach solution. If you're using household bleach, it's often recommended to dilute it with water in a 1:1 ratio to prevent overbleaching and to give you more control over the process. Pour the solution into a spray bottle for even application. You can also use bleach alternatives or fabric-safe sprays designed specifically for crafts if you prefer a less harsh option. With gloves on, spray the bleach solution onto the shirt in the areas you want to lighten. For a controlled look, use stencils to create patterns or shapes. You can also scrunch or twist the shirt to create a tie-dye effect, adding more texture to the bleached area. If you're aiming for a natural, free-form design, simply spray or drip the bleach solution randomly onto the fabric. Allow the bleach to sit and work its magic. The amount of time will vary depending on the fabric and the look you're going for, but you'll usually see results within 5 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on the shirt as it bleaches to avoid over-lightening or damaging the fibers. If the bleaching happens too quickly, you can stop the process by rinsing the shirt with cold water. Once you're happy with the bleached areas, rinse the shirt thoroughly under cold water to remove any remaining bleach. Then wash the shirt separately in a washing machine with mild detergent to neutralize the bleach completely. After washing, hang the shirt to dry or use a low-heat setting in the dryer. Now that your shirt is prepped and ready, it's time to sublimate your design. Print your sublimation design onto sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Make sure to mirror the image before printing so it appears correctly on the shirt. Position the design face down on the bleached area of the shirt and secure it with heat-resistant tape to prevent shifting during the transfer process. Set your heat press to around 380 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, depending on the sublimation paper and ink you're using. Place the shirt on the press with the sublimation paper on top of the bleached area. Cover it with a piece of parchment paper or a Teflon sheet to protect the press from ink transfer. Apply medium pressure for approximately 60 seconds. After the timer goes off, carefully lift the heat press and allow the shirt to cool slightly. Peel off the sublimation paper to reveal your vibrant design. The bleached area should act as a bright canvas for the sublimation ink, making the colors pop against the rest of the shirt. Bleached sublimation shirts are incredibly versatile. They're perfect for creating custom apparel for businesses, events, or gifts. You can experiment with different bleaching patterns and sublimation designs to produce one-of-a-kind pieces. Whether you're crafting shirts for a special occasion or creating trendy items for your shop, this technique opens up endless possibilities. When it comes to caring for bleached sublimation shirts, always wash them inside out on a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid using bleach or harsh detergents, as these can damage the sublimated design or weaken the fabric. Proper care ensures that your shirts stay vibrant and wearable for a long time. Bleaching shirts for sublimation is not only practical, but also adds an artistic flair to your projects. With the right materials, techniques, and a bit of creativity, you can craft stunning custom shirts that make a statement. And there you have it, a complete guide to bleaching shirts for sublimation. This process allows you to combine the comfort of cotton blends with the vibrancy of sublimation designs, giving you the best of both worlds. Whether you're making shirts for yourself, friends, or customers, this technique is sure to impress. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation products and other helpful resources where applicable. Visit my website for more guides and tips on sublimation. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite bleached sublimation shirt designs in the comments. See you in the next video.